A mother's heart knows no rest, especially when her babies are missing. She remembers every second, every cry, every moment she failed to protect them. But a mother never stops searching, no matter how far the road goes. Her body weakened, but her love stayed strong. Sometimes hope arrives in the form of a kind stranger. With new strength, she followed the faintest traces of her children. And then, in the silence of forgotten places, she heard them. Her heart found its missing pieces once again. Love doesn't just find what's lost, it builds a new beginning. A mother's journey ends where her children rest in peace and love.